Hello, John Britt here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a juicer, which for like lemons and limes. It's application of a closed cylinder technique. So here's a sample of it, and we will make this form in like a bowl and then pull that out, and then I'll show you how to carve the grooves for it. Pretty simple, but it's a fun little method. Here is. Start this up. Okay, so what you want to do on this is get your base sort of set. And so that's probably how wide I want it to be. Now you're going to go to the wheel head here, straight down to the wheel head, and open out. That is going to be the size of your, the juicer part. Then you're going to take a wooden knife tool that's been flattened out, clean that up real nice in there. Helps you not have to trim much. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go down a little. We don't need all this clay. We're going to go down, open up a little, and then when we get about here we push down. And so that gives us enough clay here in the center to work with to do our, this is where we do our closed cylinder. So I didn't do a very good job of wedging this, so that's why it's kind of uneven, but that's okay. We'll just show you. Okay, now you close this off, and you do it like we always do. Just close this off. And then if I want it at the last minute, I can either cut that off, or use a rib tool to kind of clean that up. Then what you're going to want to do is take one of these metal ribs, sort of lay it in there, get it nice and smooth. That's the beauty of these kind of ribs. You can just move them around and lay them in there. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll finish up outside here, and what you want is enough volume in here for your juice, but we also want some fatness here so we can make a spout. So I'll leave this a little bit fat. And then, you're going to just mess that around. Sometimes I'll take like a little rib like this and just lay it in here. Just sort of, decide what shape you want that to be. Okay, and then when you're done, you're going to then start pulling up like you would be, you're just pulling a spout, sort of. Same idea. And then you get that the way you like it. You can just put your fingers there, and then you've got and you can clean that up, or make it as nice as you want. Okay, so now we're going to come over here, and I'll show you the one I've got sort of going. And what you're going to do now, you want some grooves on this, so that when you rub the lemon or something, it'll cut into it. So basically, I just take a trim tool like this, and I'll just come in and I'll just scrape the shape I want. Once I've established the way it goes, I try to follow that all the way around. Sometimes I'll come in here and sort of draw where it wants to be. That was not very good, but you draw where it is, and then you come and start cutting. So you dig in, and this may be slightly wet for it, so you'd let it dry a little and then come back in and clean it up, make it nice. So anyway, so that's our deal. Make about 20 of those, and we'll see you tomorrow.